Imagine a romantic candlelight dinner. You clink glasses, eyes sparkling, lost in conversation. Suddenly, the bill arrives, shattering the mood. Did you really need that extra appetizer? Your partner mutters, and the familiar sting of a financial disagreement sets in. Sound familiar? A whopping 70% of couples argue about money. This is according to the National Endowment for Financial Education, making it the #1 source of relationship conflict. But here's the thing. It's not just about the money itself. Let's take Sarah and Michael, a seemingly financially secure couple. Yet their arguments about money were constant. Sarah, a free spirit, loved spontaneous weekend getaways, while Michael, a meticulous saver, felt such trips derailed their long-term financial goals. Beneath the surface, their fights reflected deeper issues. Sarah's need for adventure versus Michael's desire for security. What if the real battleground lies beneath the numbers? Here's the secret most blogs won't tell you. Financial arguments often mask deeper conflicts about values, priorities, and even past experiences, especially in your childhood, with money. For example, someone raised in a frugal household might view spending as irresponsible, while their partner from a wealthier background might see it as a reward for hard work. Couples therapy can help you unearth these underlying issues and create a financial plan that reflects your shared values and goals. This might involve creating separate spending categories for guilt-free fun alongside savings goals, or exploring alternative travel options that satisfy both Sarah's wanderlust and Michael's need for financial responsibility. The key is open communication and a willingness to compromise. In Gottman Method couples therapy, we often use what's called the Dreams Within Conflict exercise to understand what is really underneath some of these issues. Really good couples therapist can guide you through this process, equipping you with tools for healthy financial discussions. And here's the bonus. Strong financial communication translates to a stronger relationship overall. If you're feeling overwhelmed by financial disagreements, remember that couples therapy isn't just for crisis situations, like if you're having a sudden argument over a huge betrayal. It can also be just for smaller issues that keep adding up or a concern. It's a proactive investment in your relationship's health. So whether you're constantly bickering about budgets or simply want to create a more harmonious financial future together, or set a better example for your children, or stop generational patterns when it comes to money and relationships, couples therapy can help. So tame that money monster and build a financially secure future together. Visit counselingatl.com to book your first couples therapy session with one of our amazing, well-trained Gottman couples therapists. We offer virtual sessions, making it convenient for couples anywhere in Georgia or Colorado. We also offer in-person in the Atlanta area. And you can schedule a free 20-minute video consultation to find the perfect fit with a therapist. We believe in the power of healthy relationships, and we'd love to help yours thrive. Thanks so much.